In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion weight tracker for weight gain and loss. If you're looking for a way to keep track of your weight journey in a structured and visual manner, Notion is a fantastic tool to use. By the end of this guide, you'll have a personalized weight tracker that fits right into your Notion workspace. Let's get started. First, head over to your connected workspace in Notion. This is the hub where you manage your docs, projects, and whatever else you have going on. If you're not logged in yet, simply click on Log In. Once you're in, you'll be directed to the Notion homepage. This is your starting point for creating anything new in Notion. Now, it's time to search for a weight tracker template. Notion offers a wide variety of templates that make setting up a weight tracker quick and easy. In the search bar on the Notion homepage, type in Weight Tracker. You'll see several options pop up. Take your time browsing through these templates and pick one that best suits your needs and aesthetic preferences. Remember, you can always customize it later, so start with a template that resonates with you. Once you've selected the ideal template, it's time to add it to your workspace. Simply click on Add to incorporate it into your flow of projects and documents. It might be a simple click, but this step is crucial as it makes the template editable and integrated into your personal Notion space. With your template added, now you can move on to editing. This is where the fun begins. Tailor the template to match your personal tracking preferences and goals. For instance, you might want to track weight fluctuations daily, weekly, or even monthly, depending on what suits you best. You can customize columns, change labels, or even add formulas if you're savvy with Notion's database functions. The beauty of Notion is that it's as flexible and detailed as you need it to be. Always remember that the tracker serves your goals, whether they're about gaining, losing, or maintaining weight. Consider adding motivational quotes, progress photos, or milestone markers to help keep you encouraged and focused on your journey. This personal touch can make a big difference when you're looking at your data day to day. There you have it. Your weight tracker is now set up in Notion. With this tool, you can easily monitor your progress in an organized and visually appealing way. Don't forget to regularly update it with your weight data and adjust your plan as needed. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more guides on how to maximize your use of Notion and other productivity tools. Happy tracking!